welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So in today's video, I wanted to share a few bracelet designs with all of you. I had recently hauled these ribbon clips, the polished ribbon clips in Pandora Rose, and a few months ago I had gotten the same clips in silver, and I had said that I want to create a design using these clips on my Moments double wrap bracelet. So that's what I did. This is my Moments double wrap bracelet. I love the clasp on it. I don't know if Pandora intends to do more clasps in this design. I do know that a few people have said that they would love to see different clasps in this particular bracelet. I'm not sure if I want another double wrap because I'm pretty happy with the one I do have. I do wear it a ton, so I do definitely love this bracelet design. It's very different. It's so easy to design with. You can just design one bracelet and it gives you a stacked look, which I really love about it. But anyways, so as I said, I have the polished ribbon clips on here. I have the rose gold and I have the silver ones. The rose golds are on the outer ends and the silver ones are on the inner threads for clips. And then this is how I would wear it. So on the top of my wrist, the clasp would show, and then this mini design that's in the middle, and then the clips would be kind of on the sides of my wrist. And so the mini design I do have on here is I have these two Pandora Rose charms. These are really old in my collection. I bought them back in, I want to say late 2018, early 2019, right when I started collecting. And these were called something else, but when now I look at the catalog or the website, these are called hearts all over charms. I don't remember what they used to call them. I love how you can see the bracelet through the hearts. So I love that two-tone look with the silver bracelet showing and then the rose gold charms. These two Muranos, these are retired, and these are really glittery with specks of silver inside, and these are a light purple color. And I love that they have this ripple design on them. These are called the Glittering Grooves Muranos. And then the centerpiece of this bracelet is this beautiful rose snowflake pendant, and I love this. I love the beaded bail on it, and yeah. So yeah, that's the design I came up with. I really like this two-tone design with the rose and the silver. Then although I have worn this on its own because I do think the double wrap gives you that stacked look, but I've also stacked another bracelet with it sometimes, and it is this one. Now this is the Sliding Bangle Bracelet in silver. On here, the centerpiece is again a snowflake. This is from the most recent winter collection, which is 2022, and this one is called the Festive Snowflake Charm, and it is so beautiful. I love this. Again, this is in Pandora Rose. I love the details on the sides, at the top and the bottom, basically, with the tiny little snowflakes. They're so pretty. So that's the centerpiece. I have these two charms on here. Now they're shaped like Muranos, but Pandora doesn't call them Muranos. These are opalescent charms. And again, the colors. So I think the pink in these opalescent charms gets picked up really nicely with these Glittering Grooves Muranos, and that's why I paired them together. And again, I feel that it is really suited for Pandora Rose because of that pink that's coming through, and I really think that the rose and the blue also go well together. So I have before this I have only paired these charms, the opalescent charms, with silver. So this is the first time with rose, and I'm really loving the look of it. And then the clips I have on here, these are silicone lined clips. Again, these are retired and these are called the ice formation clips. I love how shiny they are, and they are CZs. And usually Pandora does the regular CZs, but in here they've done the emerald cut on the CZs, which just makes these clips so beautiful, and they shine so much, and it does give you that icicle look to the clip. So yeah, that's the second bracelet design. The necklace that I wore with these two bracelets is my locket. This is the medium-sized locket in silver with the CZs on the edge of the locket. And in here, I have the rose gold snowflake petite, and then I also have the rose gold double heart petite. One of the hearts is lined in CZs and the other one is plain rose gold. And I also have the angel wing, which is a silver charm. I just love my petite locket, as probably all of you know, and I love designing with it. I do wish I had more colors as far as, you know, the birth month colors that they have. I only have like 2 of those, and so I really wish I had bought all of them, but I do nevertheless love designing with it, and I think this design looks really pretty with these 2 bracelet designs. And the rings that I wore, this is the ring stack that I wore with these bracelets. So I do have this is the Regal, I don't remember the exact name of this, but this is from the Regal collection that came out in was it 2018 for autumn or 2019? I don't really remember, but I loved that collection. And then I have this one. This is very new to my collection. Probably my newest ring, and this is from the new Aladdin collection. I love the blue cabochon CZ they have in there. And then these 2 are my first ever rings that I bought from Pandora. These are the wishbone rings. So I have the one in silver and I have the one in rose gold, and these are the one with the CZs. Pandora has come out with a lot more of these wishbone rings, and I always think about getting them, but you know, something or the other always comes up. And but yeah, so that's my ring stack. Now let me show you, because I've gotten so many requests, it's hard to show, but I'm going to try and show you these bracelets and how they look on my wrist. So hang on a second, I'll be right back. So this is what the stack looks like on my wrist. So this is the double strand moments bracelet, and this is my sliding bangle bracelet. And this is, you know, these clips are here and the other ones are on the side of my wrist over there. So I could put clips on here so this design stays in the middle, but I actually like the charms moving around. These clips do stop them, so that's why you know, I haven't put clips on there, but that's definitely an option. So yeah, that's what the stack looks like on my wrist. As I said, it's kind of hard to show, but I've gotten so many requests about it, so I hope you guys like videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at some of my recent designs. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.